Come test drive the 2017 Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preferences of its drivers and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.